Okay, so we've just checked into our hotel in Venice. Obviously we've unpacked a little bit, we've been in there a few minutes, but as you can see, it's a fairly spacious room. We've got a king-size bed here, large double wardrobe, TV, there is a telephone just over here, and we do have an aircon unit just above. Pretty nice bathroom, and you know, extendable shower, and this actually looks like it's just under the stairs. So we have got face masks. They are compulsory in indoor settings at the moment over here in Italy. So this is the Ca del Nobile, and it's on the province of San Marco. So we're probably about 10-15 minute walk from St Mark's Square, and this was £224 for 4 nights, so you're looking around about £55 per night. That doesn't include local state taxes, and that'll be around about €20 for the week. But so far it seems pretty good. They're providing hand wash, and they've got shower gel as well. Nice spacious room. Breakfast is included. The check-in experience was a little bit poor due to the social distancing guidelines that are in place over here. There was nobody at the front desk, so we came in and our keys were just left on the check-in desk with our name on it in an envelope, so we'd take that, would go in the room. You have to order breakfast the day before and use the telephone to do that, or see somebody on the front desk, but there's nobody on the front desk. So the telephone hasn't been working, which is a bit unfortunate. But thankfully we've managed to order breakfast for tomorrow, so we'll see what that is. And we'll let you know how the room is, whether the bed's comfortable. The location is very good. We're very central on San Marco, so let's hope it's good. But the view itself isn't great. We're on the second floor here as well. Venice is notorious for flooding, so that's pretty handy, and we'll let you know how it is once we slept here. Right, so just give you an idea of the outside lobby area. Got another room just there. This is a balcony. I don't know if we can actually... Yeah, we can get out there. Let's see what view we've got. Not bad. So this is where the keys are left, as you can see. There's nobody attending to the desk. This is the name of the hotel. We actually booked it on hotels.com, not on booking.com, and this will be, we had a choice to have breakfast in the room or breakfast out here, so we chose out here because it's a little bit nicer. But not bad overall. So I'll, like I said, I'll let you know what the stay is like overall and what the breakfast's like tomorrow morning.
Okay, so we're having breakfast here. Obviously due to the nature of everything going on, breakfast's a little bit different at the moment. So we've, as I said yesterday, we tell them what time we want breakfast, and then it'll just be ready when we come out of our room. We can have it in the room, or it'll be prepared outside. So as we've come out, it's actually quite a nice little selection. We've got some jams and spreads. So the one in the front here is a pate, you've got Nutella, honey jams, like chocolate croissants and things like that, and some waffles as well. Oh, chocolate waffles. You've got like some toast selection down the bottom, like pre-packaged toast, and then these little like cake things that look a little bit like Twinkies. Juices already. You've got some little baguettes, yogurt, Philadelphia, and then they'll come and ask you if you want teas and coffees. So pretty good selection. Normally would have a bit more of a continental selection, I can imagine, but because this is the current times that we're in, everything's pre-packaged.
Alright, so we just finished in our hotel, for the night at least. We've still got another few nights here. That was pretty fine. It was a good night's sleep. The bed's a little bit firm, so if you're not into that, then you're probably not going to sleep well. The air conditioning system was pretty good. It did switch off every few hours, so much to Becky's chagrin, I got up in the night and switched it back on. Keep the room cool. The breakfast selection, like I said, due to the nature of everything going on at the moment, everything's kind of pre-packaged. You don't have the ability to really get up and get your own stuff. You have to stay sat down the entire time, and they'll bring everything to you. So they'll ask you about teas and coffees. They'll have all pre-packaged muffins and croissants, toast, all sorts. You've got your pâtés, you've got your unbranded Nutella and jams and all sorts like that. So like I said, the cost of the hotel was £224 for 4 nights. So you're looking at about £56 per night. Perfectly fine. You've got your taxes to pay on top of that, but not a bad price really, considering we're a 3-minute walk from St. Mark's Square. It's pretty good. So stay here. It's the Ca del Nobile in San Marco, the island of San Marco. I'll put a link in the description to the listing on hotels.com. That's where we book everything. So you do have the ability, once you book 10 nights, you get 1 night stay free, and that is at the average cost of what you've spent on a per night basis. So it's saved us quite a deal of money over the course, and they've always got promotional codes going as well. So hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. We're posting more hotel reviews, theme park walkthroughs, travel diaries, things like that. Follow us along. See you on the other side.